Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are on Exponential Series Part 3, and I'm going to show you how to solve this exponential equation step by step. The question we have here says 4 raised to power x minus 2 is equal to 40. And then we are asked to look for the value of x. So we are going to begin with a solution. So we'll bring our question down here again. 4 raised to power x minus 2 is equal to 40. Now, remember our law of indices, that for every a raised to the power of m divided by a raised to power n, this is equal to a raised to power m minus n. Okay, so we are going to apply this law of indices here, all right? So we are going to have here 4 raised to power x divided by 4 raised to power 2. So I just applied this law of indices to this part of the equation. And then this is equal to 40. Okay, we move on. So now we have 4 raised to power x divided by 4 squared is 16. And this is equal to 40. So what's the next thing to do here? We have to cross multiply. So here we have an invisible over 1. There's an over 1 here. So we have to cross multiply. So cross multiplying, we are going to have 4 raised to power x times 1 is going to be 4 raised to power x. And this is equal to 16 times 40. So here we have 40 times 16. Now, the next thing to do is to take the log of both sides. So we take the log of both sides. So we are going to have log 4 raised to power x is equal to log 40 times 16. Now, whenever we have an exponent in our log, for example, if we have log b to the power of 2, this is the same thing as 2 log b. We are allowed to use our exponent to multiply the log. All right, so we are going to have here x log 4 is equal to log 40 times 16. So the next thing for us to do here is to divide both sides by log 4. So divide both sides by log 4. So now we are going to have x log 4 divided by log 4 is equal to log 40 times 16 divided by log 4. So log 4 here will cancel log 4. So from here we are going to have x is equal to log 40 times 16 divided by log 4. Now remember one of the laws of logarithms that states that if we have log a times b, this is equal to log a plus log b. So we are going to express this numerator following this law. Okay, so we are going to have now x is equal to log 40 plus log 16 divided by log 4. Now the next thing to do is to split this fraction, to separate this fraction. So we are going to have x is equal to log 40 over log 4 plus log. Now 16 is the same thing as 4 square divided by log 4. So from here, we are going to have x is equal to log. Now 40 can be expressed as 10 times 4, log 10 times 4 divided by log 4 plus, applying the law of logarithm here, we are going to have this exponent is going to multiply the log. So we are going to have 2 log 4 divided by log 4. So from here, remember the law of logarithm that states that if you have log a times b, this is the same thing as log a plus log b. So I'm going to rewrite this part following this law of logarithm. Okay, so this is going to give us x is now equal to log 10 plus log 4 divided by log 4. And then plus, on this part, log 4, we'll cancel log 4 and we are left with what? 2. Okay. Now here, we are allowed to split this fraction. So we are going to have x is equal to log 10 over log 4 plus log 4 divided by log 4 plus 2. Okay, so over here, log 4 will cancel log 4 and we'll be left with 1. Log 4 divided by log 4 is 1. So here we are going to have x is equal to log 10 divided by log 4. So here 1 plus 2 will be plus 3. So from here we have x is equal to 10 can be expressed as 5 times 2. So we have log 5 times 2, okay, divided by log 4. 4 can be expressed as 2 square, all right? Log 2 to the power of 2 plus 3. Now remember the law we have applied over and over in this question. We can rewrite this log 5 times 2 as x is now equal to log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 2 square plus 3. So we can split this fraction. So splitting this fraction, we are going to have x is now equal to log 5 divided by log 2 to the power of 2 plus log 2 divided by log 2 to the power of 2 plus 3. So from here, our x is now equal to, we have here log 5 divided by, applying the law of logarithm here, we are going to have 2 log 2. So we have used our exponent to multiply the log here, plus log 2. We are going to do the same thing to this one. So we are going to have divided by 2 log 2 plus 3. Okay, so next, we are going to have x is equal to log 5 divided by 2 log 2 plus log 2 will cancel log 2. This will cancel this. So we are going to be left with 1 over 2 plus 3. So from here, x is now equal to, now this is the same thing as 1 over 2 log 5 divided by log 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 3 is 7 over 2. So over here, we can apply change of base rule. For every log A divided by log B is equal to log A base B. So we are going to apply this change of base rule here. Okay, so now we have our x is equal to 1 over 2 log 5 base 2 plus 7 over 2. Now, because they share a common denominator, we have 2 here, we have 2 here, so we can bring them together. So x now is equal to log 5 base 2 plus 7 divided by 2. Now, this is our value of x. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any question, drop in the comments. I would love to see you again in the next exponential series, and that is going to be part 4.